What's going on, everyone? It's Kaff from Kaff_official_Insta, and as you can see, this is a sneak preview of the Just Don Legacy 312 collaboration, Don C and Jordan brand. And yeah, managed to get them. This was via the Nike Sneakers app 1 year European anniversary. That drop was insane. So many limited shoes. Well, I say so many, there was 8 limited shoes. And if you knew what you were doing, then you probably got a pair of UNC Offwhite ones, Vapor Max Offwhite black, Vapor Max Offwhite white, EU Offwhite Jordan 1, Atmos Animal Air Max 1, and the Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 197. It's not Air Max 197. It is, isn't it? Yeah, Air Max 197. And also the Tinker Hatfield Jordan 3s. Now, these were the first ones that came up for me. Well, I didn't know what I was doing and they came up, so I went for them. Now, despite telling several people that I'm not sure about them, I got them. I apologize to those people, and I got them. And I gotta say, they're not too bad. I don't want to hype them because it'll make me feel even worse for the people I told that I won't get them. But yeah, they drop tomorrow. Today is the 10th of August and they drop tomorrow the 11th. So for everyone who I told I'm not going to get them, or I don't think I will get them, or I don't think they're that good, I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. All right. The official colorway is white hot lava, black zen gray. They're good. They're actually pretty good. And crazy enough, they fit like a Jordan 1. They actually fit like a Jordan 1. You got the Wings logo, the Jumpman logo with the Nike Air logo on the back. You got the elephant print, you got the strap, the hot lava. Now I've got to say, the hot lava color is more fluorescent than I expected. It's more fluorescent than your usual infrared colorway. So yeah, nice little detail here on the inside, the Just Don logo, the Jumpman Jordan brand, and yeah, really good. Sorry I haven't been loading any videos lately, but I've just been on a bit of a madness. I've got several reviews that I need to do and upload, a la the Off-White Prestos in black and the Off-White Prestos in white, which means I've managed to get the Triforce. I've got all Prestos that have come out so far. If the wolf grey ones that have been circulating will come out, I think I'm gonna want those too. I'm gonna want those too. I'm waffling, and you know what that means when I'm waffling. Normally that's on-foot shots, but the on-foot shots are gonna be on YouTube later on today, or on Instagram later on today. Sorry I haven't been loading, but yeah, that's life, innit? Yeah, so got my Prestos, Prestige, hey Presto, and the Don C's. So yeah, that's just a sneak preview of what's coming up on Kaff_official_Insta. It's a long name, but get used to it because I'm too established now to change it. So nah. See you later. Bye.